That's a darn fine question. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. This is going to be a pretty simple one. I'm going to put some resin on this black tumbler. This is a 20 skinny straight from Makerflow. Sanded, washed it, spray painted it matte black. Put some resin on it. Going to drop on these pearl colors from Ranger. I don't think I've ever done this. I'm notorious for putting all sorts of sparkly alcohol type things onto resin tumblers to see what happens. I can't believe I've never done it with these, but to my recollection and looking through my videos, I don't see that I ever did. So that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be that simple. This is Marabou's Sinker White, their deep white that I really like using for swirls. If it looks like I need the white to get these to move around a lot, I will add a little white. If it looks like I can get movement and there's good color without using the white, then we'll do that. I don't know exactly how it's going to appear, so I'm gonna have a contingency plan. So really, I'm gonna mix up some resin and let's just get started. And we're back. Okay, this turned out gorgeous. Honestly, now that I look at it, I'm second guessing whether I should have used the deep white. It doesn't detract from it at all, but I don't think it's necessary. If you look at spots where it isn't, that's also gorgeous. But honestly, I kind of like the way it picked up some of the colors and it moved things around. It's like, I don't know, weird looking clouds in an ocean or something. Sorta. Let me get you a close-up here so you can see just how gorgeous this is. Absolutely stunning. I can't believe I've never tried these before. You sort of lose the yellow. I mean, there's a hint of it here and there. It shows up especially well where the white is. Otherwise, it kind of disappeared into the other colors, but you know, I don't honestly mind that. You may have picked up on the fact that I was kind of sort of going rainbow, red to purple, but clearly it doesn't. I mixed colors as well, and it doesn't look rainbow to me at all, and that's okay. I love how this looks. I'm absolutely in love with this cup. So the question becomes, how do we finish it? And that's a darn fine question. So I'm gonna have to go check my graphics, or I could just leave it as is. Honestly, There's nothing wrong with this, but it's speaking to me like it wants a graphic on it, so I'll go find one. I forgot that I had already printed this dragon out on printable vinyl, had it cut by the Cricut and all that, because I was thinking about using it on another cup, but then I decided it might overwhelm the watercolors there. I don't think this can be overwhelmed. I think the cup will stand up perfectly with the dragon, or stand up to the dragon. See a couple things that should have weeded out and I didn't. Okay, I think that's everything that I'm going to worry about. Okay, now I have a lot of pointed, pokey, uppy things that might lift if I put resin straight on this. So I am going to start by tacking the entire thing down with a thin layer of UV resin. I have my HTV Ront UV resin. I will put a thin layer, like I said, over the entire thing, outside the lines as well as over the dragon's body, and stick it out in the sunshine to cure, and that will keep it from lifting when I put epoxy resin over the entire cup, which will be the next thing I do. I will indeed mix 504 into it because I want sparkle. So the next time you see this, it should be out in the sunshine. Here we go.